In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share files to group contacts in Google Drive. Start by opening your web browser and going to Google. Make sure you're signed in to the correct Google account, especially if you use both personal and work profiles. In the top right corner of the Google homepage, click the grid icon, sometimes called the Google Apps Launcher. If you don't see it, expand your browser window or sign in again, and it should appear. From that grid, select Drive to open Google Drive. Once you're in Drive, find the file or folder you want to share. This can be in My Drive, a subfolder, or even under Shared with Me. Hover over the item and click the three vertical dots to open the More Actions menu. Those three dots are your shortcut to actions like moving, downloading, and most importantly here, sharing. Move your mouse over the Share option to confirm you've got the right command. Then go ahead and click Share. This opens the sharing window where you'll add your recipients and control permissions. In the field labeled Add People and Groups, start typing the name of your contact group. In Google's ecosystem, a group for this purpose is usually a label you've created in Google Contacts that contains multiple people. As you type, Drive will suggest the matching group with an icon that indicates multiple contacts. Pick that suggestion so everyone in that labeled group will be included automatically. If the group doesn't appear, double-check in Google Contacts that the label exists under the same account you're using in Drive and that it has the members you expect. Next, choose the permission level for the group using the drop-down on the right. Viewer is safest and lets people look without changing anything. Commenter is great for feedback on documents. Editor grants full editing rights, so use that only when you trust everyone in the group to make changes. You can also add a brief message to give context. It will be included in the notification. When everything looks good, click Send. If the Notify People option is enabled, each person in the group will receive an email with access. Your link settings will stay as restricted unless you change them, which helps keep the file private to the group you selected. That's it. You open Drive, chose your file, use the three dots to share, typed your contact group, set the right access, and sent it. If you ever need to adjust or remove access, return to Share and update the group's permission or remove it entirely.